Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how to use the exact function of MsExcel. The exact function is an awesome function that allows you to compare two strings of text and returns true if the two strings of text are exactly alike, case sensitive, or false if the two strings of text are not exactly alike, also considering the case of the text. And this is a very useful function if you are trying to compare two strings of text directly. If you are, for example, debugging or trying to see if there's any extra spaces in your text strings that might not necessarily be visible. And this is a easy function to use, but I just wanted to make a video on it because a lot of people aren't really aware that it even exists. So equals exact, and then open parentheses, and then text1 is the first piece of text I want to test, and then string 2 is the second piece of text that you want to test. Then close parentheses, and then as you can see, it is false. Why? Because they both say please subscribe. As you can see, the S in the please subscribe right here, subscribe, is capitalized. And then copy and paste this down. This is true because they are exactly alike. Copy paste all the way down so you can see cool, both lowercase, all uppercase. This starts uppercase, this is lowercase, so it's false. And why is this false? Test and test. Well, that is because one of these tests, as you can see, is when I go into the cell, has an extra space. This doesn't have a space after the T. This one does have a space after the T. So when I take out the space in E16, it then returns true. And this is awesome if you have a lot of text, and you can also, for example, do equals if exact that, comma, that, and then equals true. Then you can do something. I'm not sure exactly. You know, you can kind of work with this, but the point is that you can also, for example, nest this in an if function and just have so much more flexibility and power as to what ultimately the value of this function can add to your spreadsheets. As I said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, let me know if any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching. You all have a great day.